welcome to my podcast, Conversations with David. I am your host, David Owasi. On this podcast, we're talking to professionals and entrepreneurs across the country. I'm here with my friend, someone I have huge respect for, and someone I'm excited to chat with. His name is Aaron Anders. Why don't you introduce yourself, Aaron?
Lifelong entrepreneur, but at the same time, I feel like I wear a lot of different hats right now. So husband, dad, which is a newer one for me. We've got a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old. I'm the vice president of College Pro at the moment. So I oversee that home servicing business.
What have you seen is a common denominator among some of your franchise owners who have been successful from a young age? What have they done differently that perhaps maybe their peers are not doing?
I think there's like the grit factor. So when I say that, like it's the ability to do the unsexy. It's the ability to do the things that are not, that are not the things that you necessarily always want to do. And that discipline and the grit matters. And then I think there's like this little bit of like, call it life endurance that happens as a result of that, right? Like I think there's this weird, there's a weirdness that happens where somebody has more patience. Like naturally, I think people are more patient, right? Like I'm sure if you think about whatever, your immediate friend group, you've got some people that are like the most patient people in the world. And there's other people that are a little bit squirrely. And the patient people that have the ability to put in consistent levels of energy and effort, those are the ones that typically do better. And it's typically in pursuit of a specific meaningful goal.